Let's look at some of the many features that mind mapping software now provides. They can make the maps more useful and valuable. You'll be using some of the features with the mind maps you create for your novel. Notes are a powerful feature in mind maps. If you select any thought bubble and then go to the top of the screen, you can type a note in the white space. When you finish typing, notice the thought bubble now has a tiny icon that looks like a page. You can also paste documents into the note area. Think how useful this will be for a research project or for a novel. You can also add a graphic file to a thought bubble. Just drag the graphic file into the bubble like I did for the Idea 2A thought bubble. You can share the mind map in a number of ways. If you click on the Share button in the toolbar, a pop-up menu opens with several choices. Image sharing is selected. This will generate a PNG file of the entire mind map or of a single branch. The MS Office button gives you a choice of exporting in a number of formats. The mind map selection allows you to export in formats for other mind mapping programs. The website format will export a code suitable for inserting into a web page. You can add a URL to a thought bubble. Right-click on a bubble such as Idea 1B. Scroll down the pop-up menu until you come to Hyperlink at the bottom, and then click Edit. A text box will appear. Type in or copy and paste the URL, including the HTTP stuff, and click Return. After adding the URL, the thought bubble will display a tiny web icon. Click on it and you'll go to the web page. Pretty cool, right? Another great feature that can be used for researching. If the map is getting too large to easily navigate, you can slim it down by collapsing the children associated with the thought bubble. Look at the Idea 1 and Idea 2 bubbles and notice the tiny minus signs. Click on them and the children will disappear. Click on the small plus sign and the children will reappear. Another way to help organize a complicated mind map is to use boundaries. Select an individual bubble, such as Idea 1, then go to the toolbar and click on the boundary icon. Instantly, every thought bubble associated with the one you selected is enclosed in a colored shape. In the next module, I'll introduce a few mind mapping programs that operate quite differently from the one I used here.